Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add images in your Capcut app on your smartphone. Whether you are editing your photo or enhancing your video with some cool pictures, we're going to guide through how to add images. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you have already downloaded the Capcut app. Once you have downloaded the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, here you can see the new project button. Tap on it. This will open up your media library. So here you will see your media files from your gallery. So you can choose the videos or photos that you want to work on. Now in order to add the images, here at the top of your screen, you can see the photos section. Tap on it. And this will load all the photos you have in your gallery. You can now select the image you want to edit and tap on the add button. Now the image is imported to your Capcut project. You can now start editing your photos from here. You can explore through different options from the menu. You can even combine a video with this photo. So to do that, here you can see the plus button. Tap on it. Now go to the video section. Tap on the video you want to add. Select add. And now you can see your photo is added along with your video. Tap on the play button. And there you can see, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And there you can see your videos and photos are now added. So that's it. You've successfully added images to your video in Capcut on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.